Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of aromatherapy and exploring the soothing benefits of chamomile essential oil. From its calming properties to its versatility, chamomile is a must-have in any essential oil collection. Chamomile essential oil is derived from the flowers of the chamomile plant. Chamomile has a long history, and its origins can be traced back to ancient times. It's believed to have originated from regions in Europe and Western Asia. Chamomile was revered by ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans for its healing properties and was often used in various remedies, teas, and rituals. Today, chamomile is cultivated in many parts of the world, including Europe, North America, and Australia, and continues to be valued for its calming and therapeutic properties. There are two main types of chamomile used in aromatherapy: Roman chamomile and German chamomile. Roman chamomile is known for its sweet, apple-like scent and is often used for its calming effects, while German chamomile has a more herbaceous aroma and is prized for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chamomile has a wide range of uses and is valued for its therapeutic properties. Here are some common uses of chamomile. Relaxation and stress relief. Chamomile is renowned for its calming effects, making it a popular choice for reducing stress, anxiety, and promoting relaxation. It can be used in aromatherapy, diffused in the air, or added to bath water for a soothing experience. Digestive health. Chamomile is known for its digestive benefits and can help alleviate symptoms such as indigestion, bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. Drinking chamomile tea may help ease digestive discomfort. Sleep aid. Chamomile is often used as a natural remedy for insomnia and improving sleep quality. Drinking chamomile tea before bedtime or inhaling its aroma through aromatherapy can help promote relaxation and induce sleep. Skincare. Chamomile extract or chamomile-infused products are commonly used in skincare formulations. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that make it beneficial for skin health. It can help soothe skin irritations, including eczema, dermatitis, sunburns, and minor wounds. It can help reduce inflammation, redness, and itchiness. Simply dilute a few drops of chamomile oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and apply it topically to the affected area for relief. Headache relief. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile may help alleviate headaches and migraines. Applying chamomile essential oil with a carrier oil topically to the temples or inhaling its aroma may provide relief from headache symptoms. Immune support. Chamomile contains compounds that support the immune system and may help the body fight off infections and illnesses. Drinking chamomile tea regularly can contribute to overall immune health. Oral health. Chamomile has antibacterial properties that can help promote oral health. Rinsing with chamomile tea or using chamomile-infused mouthwashes may help reduce bacteria and inflammation in the mouth. Caution. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil and do a patch test before applying topically. You should consult with a healthcare professional before using chamomile or any herbal remedy for medicinal purposes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant or nursing. Chamomile essential oil is a versatile and powerful tool for promoting relaxation, soothing skin irritations, and improving overall well-being. Whether you diffuse it, apply it topically, or enjoy it in a cup of tea, chamomile is a must-have addition to your aromatherapy toolkit. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the incredible benefits and uses of chamomile essential oil. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay calm and carry on with chamomile.